we already discussed. Up to the basics idea. Okay. Means how we will prepare primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, its mechanism. Tertiary amine, primary amine, its mechanism we discussed. Laws and rearrangement, everything we discussed. Grignard rearrangement, like that. Today we want to discuss about basic character of amines. Okay, basic character of amines. Basic character of amines. Okay. According to the study, amines are relatively weak bases. Okay, relatively weak bases, but they are stronger base than water, but are far weaker base than hydroxide, alkoxide, alkylate. So anyway, understood. So amines are relatively weak base, but stronger than amines. Okay, stronger than water. Okay, likewise. Then suppose, but is far weaker bases than OH minus, alkoxide, alkanide, like this. Far weaker base than OH minus, OR, like this setup, na? Far weaker. Okay, these are the condition. Then basic character of amines we can discuss. Look, which one is considered as a base? What about the property of base? Do you have any idea, students? Sejal, Vinay, what do you mean by base? Base have a tendency to, what about the tendency of a base? Base has a tendency to, tell me that. Base has a tendency to, how we will identify this is base, that is base, how? Tell me. Any idea? Exchange of electron wise. What do you mean by a base? Base have a tendency to accept or donate electron. Tell me. Text me.
Donate.
Yes, of course. It's a better option. You can go through voice chat. Okay. Who is this? By voice chat, who is this? Vinay or Ratik? Vinay or Ratik? Who is this? Vinay. So better option is go through audio. It's better option. So anyway, it will donate electron. Suppose RNH2. It is an amine and a student. So in upper, there is a lone pair of electron. With the help of this lone pair, it means that it is ready to donate that electron. That's why amine showing, yeah, base. No, not base accept proton. But what about in the case of electron, Sejal? Electron means base will ready to donate electron. Okay, so here there is a lone pair of electron we have. Okay, this lone pair of electron will try to donate by NH2 group. This is the condition. Then we can see that suppose, look, very important, it is reacted with HX. Suppose this is amine reacted with HX. Can you guess what about the product? Can you guess? This is the thing. Here H plus and H, this positive charge will attract here. So the remaining are NH3 and plus X minus. This much clear? Why? This H plus is moved and then attached with the lone pair, forming a new bond, and then this positive charge indicating deficiency of electron above nitrogen. R NH3 plus X minus, like this. Clear, students? This much understood? Huh? Any doubt? Hello? Sejal, Vineet, Ratik, tell me. Okay. Understood. Then what happened? Here it will form, no problem. They are telling in the presence of OH minus. In the presence of OH minus, what happened? The RNH2 regenerating. Why, students? Because this is a base and this base will abstract the proton and then forming NH2. So we will get the regenerated from when it is reacted with the NaOH like base and all. This ion will combine with the base and then RNH2 regenerating. Okay, this is called what? RNH2. Amine this is called anilinium chloride or salt. Actually, this is called a salt. This is a salt. This salt again reacted with a base, this RNH2 regenerating. That much only. Okay. Next thing. Look, CH3 of thrice N, CH3 of twice NH, CH3 NH2 and then NH3. This is an order. Okay, this is an order. CH3 NH2, CH3 NH2. Look, students, according to this order means what? Increasing the alkyl group. Actually, NCH3, N, they are surrounded by CH3, CH3, CH3. This is a tertiary amine. So tertiary amine is always showing a very good basicity than the corresponding. Why? Because it containing 3 CH3 group. According to inductive effect, it has a good tendency for donation of electron. So higher the donation of electron will possible here. Okay. So that it will show higher basic, good basic, and then this is the least basic. Okay. This is the order. Least base and so keep in your mind maybe a question. Out of these, which one is a good base? Which one is? Arrange your basicity. Maybe you can expect a question, a sure question. Arrange the basicity. Increasing the methyl substitution, increasing the basicity is good. Okay. This is the point. You want to keep it in your mind. Next, look, students. Look, students, I don't know, do you know the resonating structure? Do you know how to draw the resonating structure of benzene ringer? Delocalization and all. Do you know? We need Ratik, Sejal. Do you know how? Okay, no problem. So we will study today itself. Suppose okay, here NH2. Understood. NH2 we have NK Hooper lone pair. Okay. Then inside of the ring we want to arrange some double bond. Double bond may be like this. Alternative double bond. It's very important. Listen what I'm telling. Look here. Here electrons are there. So these electrons have a try to move into the group. In that time this bond will shifted to this side. So what about the next resonating structure? Look, students, in a bond is like this. It is delocalizing. There is no fixed chain, fixed position. It is localizing, delocalizing, not localizing, delocalization. So this bond you can see in here, 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 everywhere. So we are checking the possibility, that much only. This is the first resonating structure. We are telling this is the first resonating structure. If suppose this bond is shifted to where this bond will shifted to in this side, what happened? Double bond is generating NH2. So NK over positive charge. So in that time, what happened? This bond is also going to making a shift. So this bond will shifted to here. It will get a negative charge. It will get a positive charge. Okay. This is the, so remaining is like this. Okay. This much clear. Then again what happened? If we move this, yeah. So next time what happened? That double bonded, this is moving to this side and then positive and negative creating a bond. Second time it will move to here. It is like that. So here it forming a bond. Okay. Then this electron will move here. Then this bond will try to shift there. Okay. So what about the next? So it will shift and so it will create a positive charge. So what about the next resonating structure? Here will forming a bond. Here already we have here double bond, not NH2. NH2 plus. Then it will shift to here. Okay, so these are called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called what? Resonating structures. Okay, these are called resonating structures. Actually, due to this resonating structure, a base and look. This double bond, we are thinking that it has a two lone pair they have NH2, so that it is very basic. Actually is not a basic. Why? Because this electron will take part in the delocalization. As a result, this aniline is less basic in nature. Aniline is less basic in nature mainly due to what? Delocalization of electron pair make it less available to a proton, and delocalization of the electron pair stabilize the aniline. Delocalization become delocalization. This process is called delocalization. This delocalization lead to stabilization. If stabilization, there is no chance to donate electron, right? So this is the major reason for. So that when aniline accept a proton, it become aniline MR. Okay. So anyway, due to this higher number of resonating structure, greater is the stability. Higher this kind of resonating number, greater will be the stability. This make aniline with 5 resonating structure more stable than aniline. Therefore, basic nature of aniline or other is lesser than that of ammonia. So if we compare it with ammonia, this basic character become very less due to this stabilizing structure of aniline. Clear? This is the main condition for that. Now we can check physical properties there. Physical property means like ammonia, amines are polar compound. Okay, except tertiary. Amines can form hydrogen bonding, intramolecular, intermolecular hydrogen bonding also. Okay. Then chemical property is very important of aniline. Amines, we can check that. So this is a aromatic amine, is called aniline. What is this? Aniline. Aniline means aromatic amines are called aniline. Okay, these are called aromatic amine. Next one is chemical property. Very easy, you can solve. You want to tell me what are the product. Okay, chemical properties we can check. Reactions only, chemical property. If you practice more, you can easily solve anything. RNH2 is an example. Suppose it is reacted with any kind of suppose aniline, this aniline become reacted with alkyl halide or anything, RX. So what about the product? This is lone pair. This positive, negative. What about the product? Can you touch me? Anybody? Orally? Just convey, means message your voice message is better. Message me. What happened? They will use the lone pair of amine and then forming a new compound. What is that? Text me. RNH2R, very good. RNH2R, correct. RNH2R, because lone pair is, and then X minus will be there. This is called dialkyl amine. Dialkyl ammonium cation, we can say. Oh, okay, one more thing. NH2 is there, but it is deficiency you want to show now. NH plus is there. Okay, dialkyl ion. This is called a dialkyl ion. NH2 ke upar plus charge. Why? Because they want to, R is attacked here. So they are creating a deficiency of electron. That one, we must to show with the positive side. Understood, Vinay? Then next one more, Vinay. And all. Suppose this one is reacted with this one. This one is reacted with again RNH2. What about the result? Again amine ke react karo. Or in case NH2 plus is going to attack. Can you guess what happened now? here R2NH is there. R2NH2 is there. So what happened? This NH2 group no, is not positive. This is like this. Suppose this will abstract one proton from here. So what about the final R NH R? R NH R. Then plus NH2 plus become 4. Why plus? This it donated to here. So this is the setup. Okay. Okay, these are the different setup. The next one, students, we want to check it by one. One more thing. One thing is sure, if it has a lone pair, that lone pair attack will form first. Okay, for example, CH3 NH2 in lone pair, it with reacted with the CH3Br. Okay, this is our question, CH3Br. Can you guess what happened? What happened? Can you guess? Bromine is very good living group. We already told in our last. This is we are going to eliminate. Then what happened? What are the changes is happening here? Can you guess? Can you tell me the product? Yeah, product. Can you tell me the product? Can you guess the product? This bromine will go away. Okay, sure. But one more thing will eliminate it. What is that? Tell me your own guess. What about that? The product. Text me. CH3, CH2, CH3. CH3, NH2, CH3. You are telling like that. Actually, you have tried very good. It's wrong actually. Look what happened, Anna. Bromine is go away. Along with is one hydrogen will go. So CH3, CNH, then CH3. This is the chance. Okay. So HCl get eliminated. CH3, NH, CH3. So HBr is the byproduct. Bromine Br minus Sejal. So Br minus is not a stable. So it will accept one more hydrogen forming a bond and then forming HBr. So here it become minimized. CH3, NH, CH3. Like this. Okay. Understood, Sejal? Then another question, same, think CH3, NH, CH3 plus CH3, Br. Guess the product. Same procedure. If you are facing like this condition, definitely you can do the procedure at everywhere. That's why I'm practicing more and more question. Okay. So bromine is definitely eliminated. What are the remaining? How they get bond? Tell me. CH3, N, CH3. Very good. CH3, N, CH3 plus HBr. One more. CH3, N, CH3, one more CH3 dot plus CH3 Br. Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you guess? Okay, it will be difficult for you. Look, here lone pair hai na. This bromine is eliminated. This CH3 get attached here. That's why it is creating a positive because deficiency of electron. So it's become CH3, N, CH3, CH3. Here also CH3 and overall positive charge is creating. Okay, that positive charge means what? Lone pair is utilized by one CH3, na? So that's why tetramethyl ammonium bromide. What is this? Tetra. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 4 methyl. So tetramethyl amine. Tetramethyl ammonium bromide. We are telling like this bromide. So this is the condition. Got it? Clear? But already N is balanced by 3 CH3, then these should not be any lone pair. But already N is balanced by 3. Okay. No, lone pair means what? Nitrogen, what you are telling? But already N is balanced by 3 CH3. Then there should be not be any lone pair. Look, what you are telling. This is CH3, 1, 2 bond. Nitrogen is triple bonded. Okay. Then lone pair is remaining. Okay. So CH3, this CH3 will attack with the presence of this lone pair and forming a new bond like this. So after that, after the result, what happened? This deficiency of already N having only one lone pair hai na? So that lone pair is used by this CH3 get bonded over there. So if the system now little bit electron deficient, that's why they are showing the positive sign. This is the meaning of this thing. Understood, Sejal? Okay, that much only, very simple only. Nitrogen have 3 bonds with 1 lone pair. So after it reacted with a CH3Br, CH3 will attack through this lone pair. Okay, and then forming a bond. After formation of that bond, that the total entity will showing a deficiency in their electron. So that deficiency is showing by a positive sign. Okay, this is the thing. Likewise, doubt I am expecting from your side. Okay, very nice. If you are studying a 1 page or half page, that must be clear. Otherwise, no need to study anything. Just for a time pass, you are watching me, there is no use, students. If you studied at least half an hour with an effective manner, that much enough. How much time you are spending for a study is not a matter. How much you are acquiring, how much you capture knowledge. This is a very important factor. That may be a 5-minute study will get a lot of information. That maybe we can consider as an effective study. Understood? Next, reaction with the Grignard reagent. I think it's very familiar for you. Please don't make any mistake. Example, RNH2. Okay, RNH2 reacted with the CH3MgBr. This is called a Grignard reagent. Can you tell the result? Again, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, negative. Tell me the expected product. What are the products? Two products are there. What are they? Okay, I will help you. This like this. This is not like this. Look, RNH2 now. So here, this is negative charge. So it is combined together forming combined together by a proton is better option. Okay, donation of proton. So if suppose NH2 will donate a proton, what happen? That proton, donated proton is positive charge is combined with this negative. So CH4 is forming. CH4 plus. What are the remaining? R, NH, MgBr. Clear? This is the result. Simple only we are practicing now. Then we are going to complicated form. Then practice this one. R2, NH become reacted with CH3, MgBr. What about the product? What about the product? R2NH plus CH3MgBr in the presence of ether. That's how you can memorize ether. Ether. Can you guess? Same format. R2MgBr. R2MgBr. Yes, R2NMgBr. Then what about the major product? Sejal, text me that also. Yes, right. Very good. Simple only now. Same procedure. CH4 plus R2NMgBr. Likewise, that means how they are reacted with the Grignard reagent. Why we are practicing this kind of simple term now? Because while we are approaching a very complicated manner, with the help of this basic idea